Hey, this is Cleet with Local Guys Moving. We're out in North Asheville today at 33 Pinecroft. That's off Beaver Dam Road. We're doing a local move here. Again, this is Cleet with Local Guys Moving. We're out in North Asheville, and the homeowner here has installed a really nice water feature in the backyard. That's something she used to do as a profession, and this is just kind of an at-home project that she had done out here, and it's a really cool water feature. It goes up the hill, looks like about 60 feet, and it's got a little stream that runs down. It's really cool. Lots of cool plants. All the daffodils and irises.